Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you how you can use your iPhone to recognize songs. So all you need to do is you need to go to the control center, and from here you have to click on music recognition plus bar. You see a plus button, you click on plus. So that's how it get added to your iPhone. So now it's already added to your iPhone. So now you just need to play a song for it to recognize. So let me play one song. Now you come to the control panel and you see this button here. Yeah, you see this button, click on it. See, it has identified the song. Now I will stop the song from the other phone and now you can play it from here. Now that song has been already been identified. See, it is this song that you see. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.